Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Learn with Lizzie. In today's lesson, we will dive into a detailed character analysis of The Rat Trap by Selma Lagerlöf, one of the most beautiful stories in the CBSE Class 12 English Flamingo textbook. This story isn't just about a poor peddler. It is about transformation, kindness, and human dignity. So let's meet the characters who made that change possible. The Rat Trap is written by Selma Lagerlöf, the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. It tells the story of a poor rat trap seller who lives by begging and stealing, and how a small act of kindness and compassion changes him from within. The story explores powerful themes: how judgment and generosity can shape someone's life. And most importantly, it reminds us that every human being deserves a second chance. Our protagonist is the rat trap peddler, a poor homeless man who wanders from place to place selling wire rat traps. He is very cynical when it comes to life. He believes that the world is like a giant rat trap. Everyone is just waiting to get caught in material temptations. But deep down inside, he is also lonely, tired, and vulnerable. The most interesting part of his character is how much he changes throughout the story. He moves from being a thief to someone who feels gratitude, who wants to return the kindness shown to him. When we first meet him, he is bitter and suspicious, stealing money even from someone who helped him. Then he is defensive, especially when the Iron Master mistakes him for an old friend. He doesn't confess the truth until he has to. But after Edla's gentle and warm behavior, he feels something new, something that is related to self respect. He earns the self respect. By the end of the story, he is changed. He leaves a letter, returns the stolen money, and signs himself Captain Wunstahel, someone who is worthy of it. He teaches us the journey of life that even the worst mistakes don't define us forever. Next, we have Adla Wilmanson, the Ironmaster's daughter, and honestly, she is the real heart of this story. While everyone else is ready to throw the peddler out, Adla chooses kindness. She sees not a thief, not a beggar, but a tired man who needs rest and dignity. She is gentle, kind, and deeply filled with humanity in her heart. And because she believes in him, the peddler is able to believe in himself. And there is a room for redemption in his life. And that was just because of Edla. Edla represents pure compassion, the kind that doesn't expect anything in return. Next, we have the Iron Master, Edla's father, who is an interestingly contrasted character compared to Edla. He is well behaved, a gentleman, but he is also a bit impulsive and proud. He invites the peddler home thinking he is an old army friend, but when he finds out the truth, he gets angry and wants to kick him out. Unlike Edla, his kindness is conditional, based on status and appearances. The Iron Master shows how quick we are to judge people based on what they seem to be, not who they are. He is quite judgmental. Then we are having the Crofter, another minor character, yet very powerful. An old man who welcomes the peddler into his cottage. He is generous and trusting, sharing both food and stories. But sadly, his kindness is betrayed when the peddler steals his money. The Crofter shows us how the peddler used to be someone lost in the trap of temptation, but it is also his stolen money that the peddler later chooses to return, which makes his redemption complete. Let's look at some quotes that reflect the soul of these characters. The peddler says, "The whole world is nothing but a big rat trap." This is how he sees life, everyone trapped by desire. Edla's line, "I think he is a poor homeless tramp," shows her empathy and understanding. And the final moment when the peddler leaves the letter, "You have helped me to get out of the rat trap." That line says it all. He finally sees a way out, not through escape, but through kindness. Next, we are having the Iron Master. But of course, it was all a mistake, shows his contrast. Now, let's put this transformation arc of the peddler into perspective. In the beginning, he is bitter and dishonest. In the middle, he is caught in lies and shame. But in the end, he chooses to be honest, grateful, and better. This story isn't just about one man, it's a mirror for all of us. We have all made mistakes in our life, but we all deserve a chance to change. In conclusion, the rat trap isn't just about traps made of wire. It is about the traps we build around ourselves: greed, fear, pride, and hopelessness. The characters, especially the peddler and Adla, show us that kindness has the power to free someone from even the darkest trap. Selma Legoloff beautifully reminds us that humanity, dignity, and faith in others can bring about real change even in those we least expect. And maybe, just maybe, that's a lesson we can all carry forward in our own lives. So, if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such in depth English literature lessons. Let me know in the comment which character in the rat trap inspired you the most and why. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep reading and keep learning.